Oh, this is out as expected. We have Balkan Lady, Diamond's Best, all too well Imperial Class. Is enduring One-Eye Jane and trailing the group is Apo. We have Balkan Lady by about 3 lengths. All too well in second. Diamond's Best is racing in third. Imperial Class is enduring One-Eye Jane and Apo still racing in last. As the leader, that's Balkan Lady by about 3 lengths. All too well still in second. Diamond's Best is racing in third. Imperial Class, One-Eye Jane so enduring and Apo still racing in last. With Balkan Lady still the leader by about 4 lengths. And in second still is All Too Well. Diamond's Best now trying to get closer in third. Imperial Class are the outside four running by the Pips. So enduring One-Eye Jane and Apple. And it's still Balkan Lady by about 4 lengths. All Too Well still in second as they come down at the last day of the day. With Balkan Lady by about 4 lengths. All Too Well moving up. One-Eye Jane is so enduring. Balkan Lady still in front. So enduring. One-Eye Jane on the outside. But it's still Balkan Lady. One-Eye Jane on the outside. Balkan Lady, One-Eye Jane. And finally it's going to be Balkan Lady, One-Eye Jane is so enduring. Imperial Class, Apo, All Too Well, and Diamond's Best comes in last.
Ang ating pong unofficial winner para dito sa ating race number 4, inyong favorite numero 3 na si Balkan Lady masisegundo, yung numero 6 na One-Eye Jane na nagpakaba sa inyo lahat. Tingnan po muna natin ang replay para dito sa inyong race number 4. Ang bahaging ito ay